I will always suffer the wrath.
Will destroy my delicate.
Kind of. Hi guys, this is KM and this is Dash Amin. Okay, we're very excited today because we received a package from Nor Nadia.
I know it's cloth lah.
Yeah, it's a cloth, microfiber cloth. Norwex Cloth. Have you all heard of the Norwex Cloth? Here it is. Okay, if you are a clean freak like me and Abang, we would like to invest in a very, very good microfiber cloth because all the things that we want it to be streak free. Correct, Abang?
Especially
Yes.
our vehicles,
Our vehicle, our window, our mirror, bathroom, shower screen, it's all glass. So it's so difficult to find a very good cloth to actually wipe everything dry without using newspaper, right or not, guys? Okay, so I'm not going to go into the technical details of this Norwex cloth. You just go to the internet, type Norwex, Norwex. You can find all kinds of information about this cloth from the internet. That is how good this cloth is, alright? You guys are skeptics, okay? Like Abang. Please do go and get this cloth, try it, and see how magical this cloth is. Okay, this is the Enviro Microfibre Cloth. Yes, different color. They have different colors.
Okay.
So this is the glass cloth.
Go away. Okay, how to know the difference? You see the texture. It's different. You see the texture, it's more refined. So this is the window cloth, they call it, and this one they call it Enviro
Microfibre cloth.
Right?
Why Enviro cloth? Because guys, okay, this is the magic, okay? You do not need to use any detergent or any cleaning agent, any soap, any spray, whatever with this cloth. Would you believe it? Can you believe it? This cloth cleans only with water. Water, guys, only with water. We are not going to tell you how good this thing is. We're going to show you. Watch our video. I make Abang wash the window because he's a skeptic. He don't believe in how good this cloth is, okay? So first, he just take the cloth and dunk it into a pail of water and then you just wipe the window.
On the window there's some watermarks, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but one thing, after you wipe with the Enviro cloth, all the dirt is gone lah. That's one thing. But still have that wet marks.
Yes, wet
so
water marks.
we use the window cloth.
This
it's like that's how you do. You previously do newspaper. You crumple it and then you wipe the so-called still wet.
The watermarks and the stains, right?
And this cloth doing just that.
Yes.
It's freaking clean, man.
Yes. Okay, now is the festive season, guys. It's going to be Hari Raya soon. No need to wait for festive season. Some of you really clean your windows like once a week or something like that. Like when somebody clean the windows upstairs, I will always suffer the wrath. Correct or not, Abang? Every time someone washes the window upstairs.
Oh, it was raining actually.
Yeah, we thought it was raining, and then somebody was actually cleaning the window, and all the dirt come down to us.
On water splashes.
Our window. Yeah, so
splashes,
no need all that. Okay, this one just dunk it in the water, you wipe it, and then polish it with this cloth. Easy breezy.
You can see from the video it's very fast.
Yes.
One window panel, I think I took about less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, very
And
fast.
the window has not been cleaned since it was installed 2 years ago.
It's full of grime, full of dirt.
No, actually, we know that because we receive this, we wait until we receive
2
this.
years.
2 years.
We wait for 2 years. Cloth, you use it dry. This cloth, you use it wet. This
Wet
is dry.
or
This
damp,
is called a polishing cloth. Polishing cloth, you can polish anything like polish glass. Abang use it for his car. Even your wooden furnitures, you can use this to polish without anything, guys. So,
iPhone, you know, a lot of marks, right? See?
okay, what makes it so effective and so magical is this cloth is closely woven. Each fiber is even more fine than our hair. So what it picks up 92% of bacteria from that surface. Wow! Yeah, that's how magical this cloth is. How you use it is you take this cloth, you dunk it in a pail of water, you fold it into 4. to be wiped. This part is dirty, you just flip. When this part is dirty, you just flip. That is
The way I look at it, when you do that, you actually have 8 separate sections.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, then you terbalik sama for another 4. So 8 quadrant.
Yeah. Is it effective on grease?
Yes.
Oh my god, guys, it's so difficult for me to review this, to use this, to test this cloth because there are 5 people in our family in this house, okay? 4 adults.
You get out from the frame.
4 adults and 1 teenager in this house. So anybody who uses the stove and forget to clean it, the other person will come and clean it. I couldn't get my stove dirty now. I did not clean my kitchen for 2 days just to test this cloth. And the best part is I cook sambal, nasi lemak and all the splashes. That's the worst thing that can happen to your kitchen, okay? When you cook sambal. So you can see, this kitchen of mine, is my kitchen don't look like that every day, okay? No, for this cloth, Nadia, we do this for you. Okay. Look, oil and grease just wipes off. You got residue, guys.
But the most fascinating about this cloth is our cabinet. I've been trying very hard to make the cabinet surface not what do you call it,
Belak-belak.
When you wipe it, you dry up, you have a stain. I give up actually.
But with this cloth, he's very impressed, right now. Start cleaning my cabinet again. Inshallah. Okay, now what happens to the cloth after all this dirt? After they pick up all this dirt, right? So how do you wash it? The recommended washing or cleaning of this cloth is washing in very hot water, about 65 degrees hot water. The performance will be just as good. So you don't need to use any soap. However, if you are like me, very the cerewet, I buy this cloth is good, right? You want this cloth to perform just as well, just like how you just bought it. Buy this UPP Ultra Power Plus detergent. So yeah, it's multi-purpose. You can use it for anything. If you have, when you cook asam pedas or any dishes with cumin, kunyit, kunyit, all your
monster.
Yes, the stain, it gets rid of all the stains. You know how I used to get rid of all the stains, Abang? I use Clorox bleach, guys. It will
destroy my delicate.
Yes. Top is white, so I used to use Clorox, but this is powerful enough to get rid of it. Just use a little bit. You don't get so carried away. This will last you, I don't know,
quite a long time, right?
Yeah, quite a long time. You already save money on not buying cleaning agents for while using this, right? So just spend a little bit and buy this. How to get this? Where to get this? From who to get this? We will give you the link below and the number to contact. We are really very thankful for this. It's wonderful. Okay, guys, I love it so much that I ordered it for myself. This is actually the one that I ordered. Okay, it comes with this.
We order.
Yes, we ordered because we love it so much.
Because I also have mine.
He wants to use it for his car and his motorbike. Okay, this package that I ordered contains these two: the Enviro cloth, the glass cloth, cleaning paste, and
Dusting. Dusting mitt.
Okay, dusting mitt, and this.
I can dust my car.
Yes.
My bike.
They have other things also in this series, Abang. Not only dusting mitt, not only that, they have different kinds of Enviro. They have different kind of. They have different kind of Enviro cloth as well. They also have bath towels. They also have facial cloth. It also comes with bath towel.
Huh?
This is mine.
I know, because I don't have much bacteria, you see. Because they want like it to the cell of your skin, your body. They take the stuff.
Okay, so add Nadia on her Facebook and we'll find out all other offers that comes every month or every few months or something. Alright guys, I hope this has been useful. This cloth might not be for you might not like it, you might have other favorite products or anything.
But then again, you will not like it if you have not tried, right? You should try first.
Yes, try it. Also, share this video, share this information to others a favor. Spread the awareness about this Norwex Cloth. Thank you for watching, guys. And Nadia, thank you for introducing us this wonderful product. If it's not for you, we wouldn't know that this thing exists. So guys, let everyone know about this and hope to see you on our next video.
Yep.
This is KM.
Dash Amin.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Dash Amin.
Bye.
Bye.